the Three Sisters Garden, the premise is you grow corn as the vertical item, you grow pole beans as a nitrogen fixer, and you grow squash as a shade cover or mulch.
Yeah. So, but there's so that's
what the premise is. That is what people say. Here's why you're doing it.
Right, and then people went further and said that the beans were putting nitrogen back into the soil to feed the corn, and this is not true. So yes, the beans, the benefit is the ground cover, the stalk of the corn to be the trellis, and then the beans to grow up the trellis. That's fine. That makes sense. Is it always going to work out that way? It might not, but that's okay.
Some people do peas instead of beans too.
Yeah,
but the purpose, yes, beans.
But by the time the peas get big enough to grow up the corn stalk, they're not going to be good.
No, right. But the actuality of this is, yes, beans do create nitrogen and infuse it in the soil.
But it takes a long time.
It takes up to 5 years to have readable measurements of nitrogen infused in the soil.
And also, it's not like it doesn't just stay in one spot because of rain, because of microorganisms, etc. So it's not like the beans are like, okay, I'm going to fix the nitrogen into the soil and it's going to stay in this exact one plot. That's not how it works. So it does work. The premise of the Three Sisters does work phenomenal, having three items kind of grown in one spot. But the execution or the answer to that is incorrect. Beans are for the corn is a trellis for the beans. So if you want to grow corn in your backyard or wherever, you do want to make sure that your soil is very high in nitrogen.
It sucks the juice out. Yeah, it really.
So you can do this. A lot of people do this. I think it's a really great and cool concept, but just keep in mind that you are going to have to affix nitrogen in your soil to get that corn to successfully grow. A lot of people will grow, their own sweet corn or like a popcorn. It is an option, but just keep that in mind. And and the ground cover is right, and beans and